In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram payment error using 3 simple solutions. If Telegram payments are failing, getting declined, or not loading correctly, the problem may be related to the desktop app, your bank card settings, or an outdated version of Telegram. We'll go through each solution step by step so you can identify the cause and complete your payments safely. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Telegram troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, try making the payment through Telegram on your mobile phone or through Telegram web instead of using the Telegram desktop application. Sometimes payment checkout features can behave differently depending on the device or app version. Open Telegram on your phone and sign in to the account connected to the payment. If you're using Telegram web, open the official Telegram web website in your browser and log in securely. Then return to the bot, channel, service, or checkout page where you were trying to make the payment. Select the payment option again and complete the checkout process. If the payment works on your phone or through Telegram web, the issue is probably limited to the Telegram desktop app or its checkout compatibility. Make sure you are using the official Telegram application and avoid entering payment details into suspicious links or unofficial websites. If the payment still fails, move on to the next solution. The second step is to check your bank card settings. Many cards can be used for regular purchases, but block online, international, or digital services by default. Open your bank's mobile app or contact your bank and check whether online transactions are enabled. You should also confirm that international transactions are allowed if the payment processor is located outside your country. Some banks may also have separate settings for e-commerce, recurring payments, or card not present transactions. While checking your bank settings, make sure the card has enough available balance and that it has not expired. Confirm that the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information are entered correctly. If your bank sends a verification notification or one-time password, approve it promptly. If the transaction is declined, ask the bank whether the payment was blocked because it was categorized as an international digital purchase or an online bot checkout. Your bank may be able to approve the transaction or explain the exact reason for the decline. The third step is to update Telegram desktop. An outdated version can contain checkout bugs or compatibility problems that prevent payments from loading correctly. On your computer, open Telegram desktop and look for an update option in the settings or application menu. Download the latest official version from Telegram's official website or your device's trusted app store. Install the update, restart Telegram, and try the payment again. If Telegram desktop is already updated, completely close the application and reopen it. You can also restart your computer and check whether the payment page works afterward. Avoid downloading modified or unofficial Telegram versions because they can create security risks and may interfere with payment features. If none of these steps works, check whether the payment method is supported in your country and whether the service accepts your card type. You can also try a different legitimate payment method, but never share your card details, verification codes, or Telegram login code with anyone claiming to fix the payment for you. Telegram support, your bank, or the service provider should never require you to send private security codes in a chat. To recap, first try Telegram on your mobile phone or Telegram web instead of the PC desktop app. Next, check that your card allows online and international transactions and confirm that the payment has not been blocked by your bank. Finally, update Telegram desktop to the latest version and retry the checkout. These solutions fix many common Telegram payment errors. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.